Welcome to this presentation on red-black trees. In this session, we will explore one of the most elegant self-balancing binary search trees used in advanced data structures. Definition of red-black trees. A red-black tree is a self-balancing binary search tree that maintains order and structure automatically. In this tree, every node is assigned a color, either red or black, and these colors help the tree maintain balance. After every insertion or deletion, the tree detects violations and restructures itself to preserve balance. This ensures that search, insertion, and deletion operations always run in log n time. The key idea is that red-black trees prevent the tree from becoming too tall, even with millions of elements. History and origin of red-black tree. The concept of red-black trees began in 1972 when Rudolf Baer introduced a structure called symmetric binary B-trees. In 1978, Leo Guibas and Robert Sedgwick refined and formalized the design and gave it the name red-black tree. Their goal was to support efficient dynamic searching in datasets that change frequently. Today, red-black trees are widely used in real-world systems, including the C++, STL, Java's TreeMap, and the Linux kernel. Why self-balancing is needed? A normal binary search tree can easily become unbalanced, especially when data is inserted in a sorted manner. This creates a skewed structure that resembles a linked list and causes the tree's height to grow linearly. As a result, operations become slow and unpredictable. Self-balancing trees, such as red-black trees, keep the height close to log n, ensuring fast and stable performance regardless of input patterns. Problems with unbalanced BSTs. When sorted input is inserted into a simple binary search tree, it becomes completely one-sided. The tree loses its branching and behaves like a linked list. Such a structure leads to massive slowdowns because each operation may require scanning almost the entire tree. Since standard binary search trees do not perform any rebalancing, they become unreliable for large datasets and production environments. Understanding tree height. The height of a tree determines the maximum number of comparisons needed for search, insert, and delete operations. When the height is low, operations become faster and more efficient. Balanced trees avoid creating long or uneven paths. Red-black trees guarantee that their height is always less than or equal to twice log base 2 of n plus 1. This ensures predictable and consistently fast performance as the size of the data grows. Purpose of coloring. Coloring plays a crucial role in maintaining the structure of a red-black tree. Colors help detect violations during insertions or deletions. They prevent two red nodes from appearing consecutively between parent and child. Colors also guide the algorithm in deciding whether to recolor or perform rotations. This simple two-color system results in clean and efficient balancing logic. What is black height? Black height refers to the number of black nodes present on any path from the root to a leaf. A key property of red-black trees is that all paths must have the same black height. This enforces balanced structure across all branches. As a result, no path becomes significantly longer than another. This black height rule is the foundation that guarantees logarithmic height. Black nodes form the structural backbone that keeps the tree balanced. How red-black trees ensure balance. Red-black trees maintain balance through a repair process after each insertion or deletion. First, the tree checks whether any properties are violated. If simple violations occur, recoloring is performed. If recoloring is insufficient, rotations are applied to restructure subtrees. Throughout the process, the black height condition is preserved. This balancing mechanism runs efficiently in big O of log n time. Red-black trees versus AVL trees. Both red-black trees and AVL trees are self-balancing search trees. AVL trees maintain tighter balance, making them faster for search-heavy applications. However, they require more rotations during insertion and deletion. Red-black trees allow relaxed balancing, leading to fewer rotations and better performance during frequent updates. This makes red-black trees ideal for real-world systems like the Linux scheduler, C++ map and set, and Java Stream app.